Morning everybody. I'm going to put a homemade soup on the stove today. I have some salt, some turmeric, some oregano leaves, some thyme, and just big chunks of garlic and onions. I also have some leftover veggies from my meal prep last week that I'm going to just throw in the soup stock for flavor. And this is the frozen juice and bones from the organic chicken that I made last week. And now I'm going to put it in the pot with all of my ingredients and pour water, messy, and set it on the stove and have this simmer all day long. I'll filter out the large pieces so I can add in vegetables and chicken later. Here we go. This will simmer most of the day. It'll be so yummy later.